morning, guys. It's SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon.
We are back with another video.
Alright guys, we are back with another reaction video. We are going to be reacting to Mavado, J.A., Dexta Daps, Pain.
Oh, they pronounced the name right.
I did? Come on, pronunciation. Official video. Whatever. So yeah guys, we're about to get right into this video before this battery dies. So let's try to get one more in.
Let go.
Let go. Uh-oh.
This is our next top song by Mavado. Sponge music get myself.
Uh-oh. So the security people didn't hit him gunshots? He just walked like he ain't hitting
Probably
nothing.
a dream or something.
Oh, he dreaming?
Probably.
Oh, okay. Tell me something.
Oh, boy, I ain't gonna got it up, man. NCT China, man. Oh my God, you have to stand up and say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Goli got it, man.
Goli got.
This is our next bad song to be.
Ah, okay. So, you heard it already?
Yeah, I heard this song already. So this is more so her reaction, guys, because I want her to react to it. This is our next bad song.
Ah, okay, come on. All right, then. Come on, then.
You know the crime, you know.
So who is he?
Who?
The guy with the gun. Who is he?
The gun?
Yeah, the one who woke up with the gun.
That's what I'm saying. Jay, you talking about J.A.?
Oh, that's him?
Yeah.
That's J.A.? Okay.
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, they got the words down here too.
Cool. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, word. Yeah, because without the words, I would not understand.
You hear that?
Said, nope. Go back. He was talking too fast.
Go back. Time to focus on the music now. Go back.
Okay. We have a fear of a gunfire.
No, man, no, let's still wait around a second. That's not going to. Let's go back. That's not going. For some reason, it's not going. It's like it's for like the words down there. It would only say if they understand, if the computer or whatever catch what they're saying. But
but
once they go into the pop or whatever, it's not going to say. It's going. It's not. Yeah.
Where we come from, we have a gunfire. We have a fear of gunfire. Where we come from,
oh, the blood clot this. No, he said where he come from, you have to have a gun on you.
Oh, you have to have a gun on you where you come from. Yes. Oh, okay. I gotcha.
Come from is like have a gun on you.
Really?
Yeah, man. You see, if you have a name and have a brand, and if you come from a certain place, you have to have a gun on you. All if you don't have a brand or a name, you still have a gun on you.
Oh wow.
People is just that bad, man. People kill you for no reason.
I know that.
People kill you for no reason, man. Especially, I'm not sure where Jay is from. Obviously, Jamaica. I'm not sure where in Jamaica.
Like what part?
Obviously, he's come from a bad area. And I say, yo, where him come from? If I have a gun on you.
Damn.
Can't trust nobody. You see me?
I see you.
I remember years ago, before Mavado left Jamaica, I think in the go back hometown him go. Hometown. And man, I'm shoot up in car. I think he was in it, shoot in car.
Dang.
And he was lucky to be alive. I think.
I
could be wrong. I remember. No, he didn't get hit. I remember everything that happened. I could be wrong. But for sure, I think they shoot up in car or something like that.
Wow.
I think right a couple days after man left Jamaica, I'm not blaming him. I don't blame him. I would leave too. Man, everybody's bad. And everybody want to prove what they can do. You see me?
That's crazy.
Everybody want to be a bad people.
Like, what does that do? Like, okay, some people are fearful of you. Like, how is that satisfaction? Like, what? Like, where's the satisfaction in being feared? That's crazy to me.
So the roast team, man.
Nobody can tell by you. I when you do this when the most money spent by you.
You heard that right, sir?
Nope.
He said when you dead is when the most money is spent on you.
That's crazy. Oh, for a funeral. Yeah.
It's kind of true if you think about it.
That is true.
That is kind of true. You
That's
see,
when everybody come together. People ain't never seen. Like, who is you, ma'am?
Everybody. Even because you never talked in your life, you like, oh, now y'all want to come here, man.
Right.
Where were y'all at?
People that you, like, know didn't mess with this person who passed away. Like, why? You crying for what? You did not like them. Like,
that's crazy, though.
You did nothing but wish bad on them. Like, that's crazy.
Most money spent when you died, bro. But when I heard someone he said it, I was like, that's actually true. That is true.
Can't trust family too.
Can't trust family.
You can't knock a money too. I'm gonna teach me this. Family club, so when you make it on the come from the
Mavado right now.
I can hear it.
Some Jesus creepers life.
Wow.
When the dogs on the sleep at night.
If you want a party, you can make it.
It's a fuck around and a real time vibe.
Ooh.
Play my part. You a dud spot this man attack.
I'm making no sense playing part. I'm doing thing and doing for reach right as up. Mavado do this. Mavado do this from years, a long time ago. Mavado do this. A long time Mavado do this badness. I say me do his part. Doing for do. You see me? You see me?
Yes, sir.
Long before some pussy could attack. Keep a ear care close to my heart. Killers living out the wild, you feel on wild cards. You feel low where the badness start.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to the video.
Follow our social
I'm
media.
so like deep into this music room. I mean this music video.
Yeah, I'm on the music video, but too.
Look at
I
Pop.
saw the Godfather for New York. In the game, if you're right on the friend, I chop it out. Legendary to the crowd. The streets now, no love.
Oh, I like that. They came in like smooth.
Oh yeah, Dexta Daps is a bad artist too. Dexta bad. He sing a lot of girl song though. A lot of girl song, you know what I'm saying? But he didn't say, I think he has a couple of bad songs, but he's sing a lot of girl songs. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of, you know. So, yeah. But you ready just right there?
No.
How you go back?
Just Aaron. Somebody flying around the street, no love.
The world full of, go right again.
Okay.
Hey.
The world full of yet the street have no love.
The world's full of hate.
Oh, full of hate.
The streets have no love.
That is true. That is true. Everybody hating on everybody. Want to be like this person, and just because this person is this person, they hating on them. Like, what? Do you have like some real like reasons to hate somebody other than because they dress better or because they have this amount of money or whatever? Like that is
people just hate for no reason, man.
Hate for no reason. That is ridiculous.
You ever sit back and you see some people die, you like, what this man do to this person? What do you think she do to this person?
Like there shouldn't be that amount of hate in the world for you to wish death on somebody just because you don't like the way that somebody like them. Like, for example, Beyonce. Everybody always hating on Beyonce and wishing death on Beyonce because...
Oh, for real?
Yeah. A lot of people don't like Beyonce. They say, she can't sing for real. She's overrated. Like, come on, y'all. Like, y'all hating on her because she, like, gives back, because she really, like, has real support. It's like y'all hating on her because of that. That's crazy to me.
Yeah, I ain't know that.
Everybody ring gas, sleep prayer. Is it friend I kill, friend I get famous?
So that man say, friend I kill friend and I get famous.
That's crazy.
Friend I kill friend and I get famous. Let that sink in, man.
Yep, just like what happened with Nipsey.
That's crazy, bro.
Man was working for him and
Nipsey,
killed him because he got fired or something like that.
That's crazy.
I think he killed him because Nipsey let him go.
You cannot trust nobody.
You can't trust nobody close to you. That's crazy. Sometimes you can't even trust your own people.
It sucks, but bro, you can't trust nobody, bro. Go show you can't trust nobody, you know. I started this. I started this.
What's a star?
Star. You know what I'm saying? Whenever I started this. You know Star? The cookie wash. Whenever I started this, it looked like her, though. It looked like her. I started this. But yeah, go show you can't trust nobody. But if you see it going on the shoulder, right, it's all. You see it? You see it? It's on the handle. Not even see it.
Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Go back.
Go on. Not even see it on the look. Batty catch him action, you know. The Batty one, let's go see. Batty.
She had.
Just around. You never see it coming. Never see it coming. So she don't catch anybody. Anybody
use that baby stroller like that?
thinks that somebody the baby showed the cover to know.
Hmm?
Think the baby showed the cover. You couldn't even tell the baby was in the toilet.
That's what I'm saying. Just use that stroller like that.
That's crazy.
Set up everybody still no persuade. No make your body scare and just shit.
Star heavy doing it? Star heavy bomb box lead.
My scheme is it. My rough like highlights the best stage. Police and in quick marathon canyon. The government and the rule no
I'm so sorry. When I thought you were only off the other. This is crazy though, because I never J.A. I don't know who he is. J.A.
I don't know either.
I don't know who he is. I don't know who he is, J.A. I don't know who he is, to be honest with you. But that's crazy though. That's a big shout out for him that he's doing this song with Mavado and Dexta Daps. Two big icons in dancehall. And then for this guy named J.A. to be doing songs with them, that's crazy. Better for himself though. And him not sound that bad, him sound good. He sound very good, huh? The J.A. guy.
Streets is like that, I'm so sorry.
He sound good.
Talk about the line and up in them and run fire. At the age of 13, the street turned me to a man, stamina just back.
I'm on a 13, you know.
From when he was 13?
13. Man in the streets.
Ooh.
You see, the man that making no say, and I know him bad, him big bad. Big bad from my 13. That's crazy. 13.
All life bring pain, me a custom. The belly of the beast we bust from. Dark seat dogs give us mental problem. You're a criminal, and the poorer class get paid minimal. Politicians shop with like.
See that?
That is so true. That is true. That's ridiculous, but it's true.
Yeah, that's good.
They don't even give us a chance to even like come up. They want us to stay where we at.
It's so hard for most of us, man. It's really hard, bro. I'm about to make people know say a long time I do this. Long time, not just overnight. Years after years after years.
Clinical, yeah. When them dead a state funeral. Yeah. The world full of hate on the streets now, no love. No love. Y'all ever think they will make Shaka sing like chorus?
Chorus.
Everybody ring cats to get bread. Busy friend and get famous.
That part's crazy.
When we come from here, we have a gun for you. Every man by them want to when them can do. When the feds come, anybody can tell for you. And when they're dead is when the most money spent for you.
Wow.
Big tune. Big song that youth. And that biggest song for 2023.
It's crazy.
Big song, you. Big song. Big up Mavado, big up J.A., big up Dexta Daps.
Big up SyVon Bennett.
Big up Sponge Music. Big up Sponge Music, I think it was Sponge Music. Yeah, I know the song part, man.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a nice song.
Song part, man.
It's sad, you know, about stuff he, you know, singing about, but it's true. It's the truth.
I remember when Mavado singing, Mavado sing something real. When Mavado sing, everybody feel it. Everybody go through the same thing.
Yeah.
Just like any other regular artist, when they sing from the heart. That's all you have to do, sing from the heart, sing the truth. You know? Yeah. But yeah, everything else to say?
No.
Okay, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see next time. We're going to catch you guys in the next video.
Peace.